Moto JanzKie. This channel for motorcycle enthusiasts. I hope you like it and don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated on this channel. Thank you. Euro Motor. Established in 2006. Filipino brand. Affordable and durable motorcycles.
Isang panibagong walk-around review na naman mga kabady. Andito tayo ngayon sa Mitsubishi, Manalo City. Isang Filipino brand na motorsiklo na naman ang ating i-review ngayong araw. Ito ay ang MARVEL125 ng Euro Motor. Tara mga kabady, huwag na natin patagalin at simulan na natin ang ating walk-around review.
Moto JanzKie.
Kung titingnan mo sa bandang harapan, itong si MARVEL125 ay para talaga siyang si Sniper 150. Pero sobrang laki ng kaibahan nila pagdating sa specs.
MARVEL125 Specification. Overall length 1,960 mm. Overall width 660 mm. Overall height 1,115 mm. Wheelbase 1,300 mm. Dry weight 91 kilograms. Max load 150 kilograms including the driver. Front wheel 70/90 by 17. Rear wheel 180 by 17. Max speed 90 kilometers per hour. Brake distance 6.5 meters and 30 kilometers per hour. Dual rear shock absorber. Cylinder bore and stroke 54.0 by 55.5 mm. Compression ratio 9.11. Max output 7.5 kW/8000/min. Max torque 10.5 Nm/5500/min. Displacement of cylinder 127.1 ml. Spark plug A7 TC. Spark plug gap 0.6-0.8 mm. Half of air valve. Intake valve 0.03-0.05 mm. Exhaust valve 0.03-0.05 mm. Volume of lubricating oil 0.9 L. Capacity of gasoline 4.5 L. Battery 12 volts V5 ohm. Fuse 10 amperes. Front light illuminator 12 volts 2.5/25 UX2. Headlight/braking light betraying light. USB charger port. Engine 125 cc.
Isang nakakabilib na namang Filipino-made motorcycle ang ating nagawa ng review ngayong araw mga kabady. Kung ikaw ay nagbabalak bumili ng MARVEL125, sinasabi ko sa iyo hindi ka talaga magsisisi. Dahil ito ay mura at lahat ng spare parts ito ay available at hindi mahirap hanapin. Alright mga kabady, sana ay nagustuhan ninyo ang ating walk around review ngayong araw.
Thank you so much. Moto JanzKie.